All right, guys, everybody's outside hanging out right now. What's on the plan? What you doing? You don't know? How boring is that? Going to the next person. Hey, girl.
Hi.
What are you doing outside right now?
I'm playing with the umbrella.
Umbrella, Ella. How do you feel about that?
Oh, Sophie's pooping.
Sophie's pooping. Oh, that's gold. Good stuff. Good stuff.
I want to tell you guys something.
What do you want to show us?
I got a challenge for you guys.
All right, what's the challenge?
If you guys can subscribe with your nose, you get an extra subscribe.
You get, okay, all right. So how do you subscribe with your nose and get an extra subscribe?
You just have to find something to subscribe, like a tablet or a phone.
Okay.
And then you just try to flick your nose on it.
Oh, so you gotta push the subscribe button with your nose. Oh, that's a good idea. Actually, give me a high five. I like that.
You get an extra point if you do it.
Get an extra point. So guys, apparently you get an extra point if you subscribe to my channel using your nose. I dare you to do it. Probably won't do it. I bet you will do it. What do you think, Julian? All right, thanks, man. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, uphill cartwheel. Car safety first.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go, uphill cartwheel. Oh, yeah.
Sophie.
Julian, do a car. Oh, Spider-Man, dude. What Spider-Man, bro?
Let me see it down.
Hey, you stay away from the road. Get back over there. Thanks, bro. Okay.
Downhill cartwheel now.
Downhill cartwheel. Show me. I'm down for this.
Okay, good.
Womp, 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 womp.
He did it!
He did a cartwheel. Do it again, man. Do. All right, close enough. Let's see this downhill. Oh, let the pro do it. You heard her? I love the confidence. Ready? Whoa! Yo, your hair went flying everywhere. That was awesome. What? I missed it again. Do it again, man. Yes. Sick, dude. Thumbs up. Oh, man. Dude, that was awesome. You did a car. How do you feel about that?
Julian, high five. High five. Julian, high five. High five. Okay, he won't.
What?
He won't.
No high fives. I taught you better than that, little boy. Get away from the road. Come on, man. Tucker. You stay here. Wait till she gets closer. Don't run. Julian, stay here, bud. Everybody. Oh, what are you getting ready for?
Tucker's coming.
All right, guys, think of another challenge. What do you want to do? What do you want to try?
Whoever does the best move wins.
All right, let's see what your moves are. Show me a move.
Julian, do his cartwheel. Julian, come here. Okay, so I'm going to do it downhill. It's more easier.
You can't do cartwheels anymore. You already did that.
Julian, do
You got to do something else. Yeah. Stay here. Don't cross.
You look so cute.
They're doing little cartwheel challenges and stuff.
Yeah.
Nice.
Show me your cartwheel.
Whoa! Let me just warm up. You can do Joe. Whoa!
Whoa. Give me that. That's my boy.
Oh no, ants. And oh, look at my feet. The difference in color. Oh gosh. Weird.
Here, baby. Here.
Ew.
Oh, those are mine. Nice. I got these at the dollar store.
They are the bomb.
You would be pale if you would work inside.
For real. What's behind me?
Car.
Car.
Mark says the same.
All right. Say bye to the car.
Guys, I am warmed
Nah.
up and I'm ready to go.
All right, let's see what you got.
Mommy.
No cartwheel. Oh, dude. You need to slow down with that, man. You saw that? You're gonna burn out your battery. Actually, do it again. Do it again. I dare you. Whoa. You're Spider-Man.
Ready?
Trust fall. Ooh, you should have let her fall. Just kidding. Can't do that to my princess.
She was like, excuse me.
That's big sister loving right there.
I was gonna say, just get on the grass, that way it won't be concrete.
He's actually laughing.
Do not try this at home
Yeah.
with your little
We're
brother.
professionals.
You guys are professional big sisters. That's right.
Julia is not.
Julian is not a big
He's a
sister.
professional little brother.
We are a professional family.
That is right. Oh, man, he's like,
Goodness.
Listen, your turn to
start
do a
flying.
move.
he's like a boomerang almost.
Yeah, you gotta touch mommy's hand. So we're doing a race as fast as you can, and make sure you stop so you don't get hurt.
Ready, set, go! Dang! Holy crap!
Dude,
Oh my God!
that's Speedy Gonzalez, man.
He was flying.
I thought I was gonna win.
Round 2. Oh no, don't get in my way. Oh, nice. Look like Johnson won that one, I think.
Wait, what?
Oh, he's going to do it over again. He's going. Yeah, get him tired, man. Tomorrow's school. We gotta burn him out.
He's warming up in school. Wow! Oh, my God!
You lost his shit. Oh, we got a man down.
Oh, he's a tougher.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's starting to rain out here, so I think I'm gonna get everybody and wrap it up and go inside. Hopefully you enjoyed. We're just hanging out outside right now. I figured I had my phone in my hand, might as well make a video. So, hope you enjoyed. I hear you guys. Holy cow. Y'all need to go inside. It's over. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Oh, dude. Dude, I think that cat just caught something over there. Is that cat's playing with something in the road? Look.
It's a black cat.
It's a black cat, and he's like trying to get something on the road. Look.
It's a bird. It's a birdie cat.
Holy cow, dude. Hold on. Stay here. Stay here.
Yes. Let me go, Daddy.
Hold on. No. Boy, you better slow down. This cat has a bird in its mouth. Dude. Stay. Hold on. Whoa, dude. I don't know, there's a car. Keep your brother on the sidewalk. Oh, no. Oh, it's hurt. Oh, no. Oh, he definitely caught it. Yeah, no, I'm not touching it, but that's so sad. It's hurt.
Who's that? Mommy! Look!
Come on. Don't touch. Oh, man. Yeah, it's alive. It looks like its wings are broken or something. Oh, man.
It was alive.
That's not good. Oh, man. Stay back. Stay back. Oh, that's so sad, huh? Oh, man.
So sad.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Oh. I didn't know it wasn't clicked.
Oh, no, she's not going to get that.
Oh, well, she has to move it.
Can you take it to the doctor or something?
I don't know, baby. But it's definitely, that cat got it.
Is that, what is it? What kind of bird is it?
It's a little crow or something.
Whoa, I saw it bleeding. I was very mad.
No. Come on, Tucker. You boy, you so happy. Yeah, it looked like it just got it.
Right there, but I got a cage.
Oh, nice.
I've raised like 30-something squirrels,
Oh, nice.
raccoons, so I'll give him a shot.
Oh, you saved him.
I'll give
You
him a
saved him. That
shot.
cat was getting him, man. I felt so bad. I saw something flapping.
Them cats, that one cat is new, and it comes, and I raised 4 squirrels at one time, because I've raised so many.
Yeah.
We were arborists.
Out of the road.
So, I have a cage back there that I raise my squirrels in, but it's a bird cage, so I'm going to put him in there
Oh,
and I have a
man.
little bit of cat food out.
Yeah, I was over there about to wrap up the video, and I saw the cat playing with something out here.
It did its wing right there. It's injured right there.
Oh, man.
See, it drug it.
That cat had it, man.
Poor baby. I'm so calm. Look at him.
Yeah.
He's safer than that. Yeah, that cat was on him, babe. I thought it looked like he was playing with a rug.
dog ate so much.
Does it eat them?
Oh, they do eat the cat food, and that's bad.
And it was very bad. And my dog lasted out. They have 2 other cats that are beautiful. But this one, it just like spit out. But it brings moles. It brings everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
And
don't touch it.
And the dogs eat it.
Oh my gosh.
So, now he's got all his feathers intact. He's just been dry.
Here.
Oh, well, I hope he's okay.
I don't
Man,
think he'll make it, but I'm going to at least give him a chance.
yeah, man, that.
So give him a chance to see if he can at least get up and move. I tried a baby bird a couple weeks ago, but it was baby, like a little wren.
Yeah.
My ex found it and brought it to me. And didn't like
It has talent.
It can still move its legs, so I just don't know. I'm gonna see what it does in the cage.
Yeah. So
Look,
she's
do you
gonna
have
try
a
to baby
bird
it back.
cage?
Yeah. I put my squirrels in my bird cage. I raise them.
All right. Well, hopefully everything's okay. We'll get an update on him later. Bye, Julie.
Bye.
What an adventure. Man, that sucks.
Before school, something died.
But we saved it though. We saved that. I mean, in a sense, because that literally, babe, I was over there in the front yard, and I saw something flapping because the cat was doing this, and I saw the beak. Oh crap! It's starting to rain. Come on, guys, run, run, run! Oh yeah, rain's coming. Rain's coming.
A jeep, I think.
Go, go, go! Don't stop for me. Go, go! Come on, come on, come on! Oh man! Run back home. Dude, we just saved a bird. Holy cow, guys. Well, you got your cool little ending there. Thank you. Subscribe. I'm going to go inside and get dried off. Probably do some live streaming on PlayStation or something. Scoundrel_ if you are on PlayStation 4. And,
We'll try to give an update on the bird when we get one.
yep. All right, guys. See y'all next time.
Till later.